Alright guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage here. We're at my dyno, got the drift car here, just going to run it up, see what it makes. I don't really care what power it makes. I'm not going to change the boost, I'm not going to change the timing. I might just clean up a bit of fuel. Just curious how I've been drifting on, because these turbo manifolds are sold, they'll be going, so might as well thought, let's see what it actually makes with what I've been driving it on with. Yeah, go from there. I've got a Taco hardware pickup, see if we can get the RPM going, so the first couple pulls might be write-offs, just getting that right before I have to go back and reset everything, but if not, is what it is. Yeah, I'm going to set up another GoPro inside the car, I think, pointing at me. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for this, I think. So I'm going to get set up and we'll start filming, I guess. Right, now I think we might be ready. Change tyres and then go again. I think I might do that. Alright, tip number 2, change the tyres to freshies, which is also not good on the dyno, but see how we go. it is the next day. Car's back home. Don't worry about that. Just new front tyres. Yeah, so obviously the in-car GoPro died. My mate Tom rocked up and he was filming some as well and giving me a hand. Obviously, I don't know if you guys, I don't think I talked about it too much in there, but I could not get traction. The knurling on my front rollers is basically gone. So the torque, massive torque hit from turbo cars, it just can't hold it down. It was just spinning like crazy. Plus the camber I have is insane. It only uses like, what is it? The 50% of a tyre, basically when my tyres are done. Inside's on wires, outside's basically brand new. So the contact patch isn't that good. So, and they were fresh tyres. Fresh tyres on a dyno are generally never good. But anyway, had to increase the ramp rate. So the speed that the rollers are released, ridiculously high to try and make it not to spin. It still did spin, but spat out 532. I have an inkling, that's about right, but I also have an inkling, say it didn't spin and it was fully loaded up and did a proper run, maybe 550 to 570, I have a feeling, but all the way 530, I'm still happy with that. I was at 17.5 PSI. Remember, stock L67 bottom end, cam, factory heads with valve springs slapped in it. What else was I gonna say? I don't remember, but yeah. So maybe I'll try film this drift comp. So you guys are watching this, if you're watching it on date release Saturday, the next day is round 2 for the drift comp. If I remember, I'll put the GoPros in and film. But yeah, that'll do for now till Forge motor goes in. These Tevva manifolds are sold. So after Sunday, they'll be coming straight out. I've got to make some other ones fit, we'll see. But yeah, I played with strapping, played with ram brakes and everything. Yeah, it was just spinning. I need to get some new front rollers, which is about $5 grand, or see if I can get a company to re-knurl them. I think I do it by laser, so I've got to hit some companies up, see what they can offer. But anyway, if you're here, appreciate it. Like normal, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video, whenever that is going to be. But yeah, but for now, she's alive, loving life. Yeah, that'll do. I'll see you guys later.